Okay, let's start by getting the app for this. I am on Android right now. It's called 360 Rise, I think is what I type in, and then it comes up 360 Penguin. This is only the setup video. It's not the usage video. I've actually already made this video and then found out that this camera right here is actually bad. It's stuck in like 420p and it don't even go that low. You want to install that. So this is getting returned, but the video quality was just so awful and I didn't like the video, so I'm remaking it. Also, the app would not work on my Android Go tablet. It was a Go version, not a standard, like, I think they call all their stuff cute girl names. It wasn't a Powder Puff Jelly Bean 4 or something. Okay, you're going to want to open that when it installs it all the way. See a cute little penguin. It does worry me because this app has not been updated on Android since 2019, May or March of it. Gonna have to allow photos. We got edit 360 content, app settings, 360 connection, turn off help. Get out of there. There's all my videos from earlier. It's weird. I deleted it hoping that none of this would stay on there, so it'd be like a fresh install. It was not. Okay, to connect to this, you're going to want to go to your Wi-Fi. You're going to want to turn this on with one push of the button. A little light will come up here, and it'll also ding. It's green, which means it's fully charged. You're going to want to push the Wi-Fi button for a second and it will come up with a blinking blue light. Now this is time sensitive. It beeped. You couldn't really hear it because I was talking. That comes up. You're going to want to refresh your internet. On the side of the box it says your password. Everybody has the same password. I'm actually going to forget to tell it.
Computer says no.
I'm going to forget it. And I'm going to reconnect for the purpose of this video. Don't mind my Wi-Fi passwords here. The password is chillin with no G. Oh, 360 chillin. 360 chillin. Click connect. As long as it's still blinking, it should connect. And if it
Computer says no.
Solid. Make sure your phone isn't set up to automatically switch to a better internet, because this has no internet, so you'll want to switch. If you have a dash cam, you'll probably understand how to do all this, because a lot of dash cams run Wi-Fi. This is not internet. You're not connecting to this, and this thing's giving you internet. It's just a different type of Bluetooth. That's kind of a hassle to me. I don't know why we can't just use Bluetooth. Bluetooth can stay on with it. You push a button, shoot the lights even blue. Come on. Okay, so after that, these are all my videos that I've already had. You want to click the top right, then you want to click the refresh, and it should connect right up. 6K, it worked. If it's your first time, it's wanting you to reset the camera, and it opens the menu right up for you. I'll go over the manual and the settings on this device as soon as I get a new one, so I can show you the difference between all the settings, and we can compare the difference in the resolution and all that, because this one doesn't look any different from 6K clear to 960p, which is the lowest it can go. I hope you guys have already read that. I don't want to repeat it all. I'm just going to click out of that. And there we go. I am connected to it. I'm moving around. You can see me tripod right there. Click the different buttons. There's nothing in my house that's embarrassing. There's my iPhone that's looking at you. There's me. There's me moving it. It is a little bit delayed, but that's alright. There's my window. And that's saying that's in 6K. I understand. I understand 6K within a billion pixels. Because it's doing a whole 360, but I've watched other people's videos and they could probably read that the SD card says Samsung on it, and mine you can't. Yeah, that's setting it up on an Android phone. I'm sure iPhone isn't too much different. Thanks for watching.